Hey, what's up guys? I just want to make a quick to the point video about field capacity or base moisture of soil, and that's just the amount of moisture you want in your soil before planting and anything of that sort. Like, so before you put your seeds in or anything like that, you want to bring your soil up to a certain amount of moisture, which is the field capacity or the base moisture as some people call it. And to determine that, you can pick it up, and I mean, you can see that this is a little on the moist side. Like, it's not soaking wet, but it definitely is a little more moist than I would prefer. However, if I was to do in one way or another, I would prefer it to be a little on the drier side. If it were to go on the other way, you know, on the moist side, you want good aeration. You know, you don't want your soil to get compacted or anything. But anyway, how you tell your field capacity is you pick up a handful of soil and you give it a squeeze, and in between your fingers you can see that it will bead up water. Yeah, right there you can see it will bead up water without really dripping too much, maybe a drop or two, but you don't want a bunch of drops to come dripping out of your hand, you know. So you just want water to bead up in between your fingers without dripping and dropping a bunch of drops, and that's base moisture, you know. And you can plant seeds and everything in that, and that's where they say to get your soil to. And like I said, you know, you don't want to bring it up too far and past base moisture, because then you're going to have to find or make sure you have good aeration, and then the other way you have to worry about it being hydrophobic. So but also, with that being said, don't stress too much and worry too much about getting it exact, because it's going to fluctuate. So alright guys, so I just wanted to throw that in there. This is probably going to be a reel rather than a video, but thanks for watching. So